gets denied. If you've gotten a letter, anybody that's gotten a letter saying, oh, I'm going to get canceled, what do? What are you going to? You can call your agent and say, hey, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. They might be like, oh, we're pulling out of California. Too bad. Go get somewhere else. Then you go to another company and then they tell you basically the same thing, or they tell you, oh, I have to replace my roof, which has happened to a client of mine. Yeah, it kind of sucks, right? Crappy that the agent, that these insurance companies are doing everything about it. And it's funny, I listen to all these governors saying, when I become governor, I'm going to get rid of all the registration fees and the DMV. Well, they're all saying that. I don't care. Republican, Democrat, they're all politicians. So that means they're talking out their ass. Every time I hear somebody saying this on everybody that's running for governor, I'm like, what are you doing about the insurance? What are you doing about car insurance? What are you doing about the house insurance? What are you doing about health insurance? Because the insurance companies, insurance industry is making the affordability unattainable for millions of Californians. It's ridiculous. And yeah, you can threaten to let them get out, but if I was a governor, don't listen to me. What the hell do I know? Hey, that's my sister. Say hi. She got all nervous. If I was running for governor, I would be like, guess what? Insurance industry, you need to pay into California. You need to make California rates less expensive. And if you threaten to get out, I'm going to say goodbye. And if you want to come back in, I'm going to tell you that there's going to be a huge fee for you to come back in, make it punitive, and I won't let you come in for another 10 years. That's the answer. The regulations, the regulatory body has been so corrupted that the only thing that's going to happen is some crazy politician coming in and cutting the industries, the insurance at their Achilles tendons. It's the only way that's going to happen. Because if you cut one tendon, make an example out of one of them, everybody else will fall into line, period. And the reason why I'm telling you this is this: what to do if your home insurance claim is denied. What's going to happen? Guess what? Because of the lack of leadership that our state and Florida state has shown, their weakness, insurance companies, insurance industry, and the regulatory body are all coming together and saying, oh, well, this is the best we can do. It's screwing over the citizens. And shame on the governor, shame on California, shame on the leadership, and shame on the industry. It's the same thing with real estate, right? We're getting a lot of come to Jesus lawsuits coming at us. I get it. But I'm telling you right now, if you get threatened with a drop or a denied or whatever, you have your rights. And if you do get a claim that was denied, let me know. I work with these companies. They don't charge you anything unless they win, and they know how to negotiate with these companies. So just if you call up your insurance company and then they bring out a claim guy, person, and they say, oh, well, blah, blah, blah. These are all the freaking reasons why. That person that came out to assess your claim, they work for the insurance company. They do not work for you. So what I would suggest is you call me, and I know this guy. He's out of Pennsylvania. He will negotiate for you, and he will get you more money. And yeah, he does take a nice hefty cut off of what he earns for you, but it's better than getting nothing. And it's happened to me before. So shame on the insurance company. All right, that's enough of that. Probate sales, this 40 days on market. We're going to go into the charts, but I just wanted to show you houses it doesn't matter where you are, all over Santa Clara County, houses are sitting on market because they're overpriced. We're going to see in the charts that sales are coming back, but not quick. I mean, it's still the first week of February, so it's not a big deal, right? Same thing with 90 days. It doesn't matter. You could be in Mountain View. If you're overpriced, it doesn't matter, right? This house is overpriced for a reason. It's a great price for $2 million. So there you go. And the same thing with REO, bank-owned properties of the week, Van Buren. Yeah. San Jose has very few. Still that 5 million one. Yeah. Actually, there was one in Sunnyvale a couple days ago, and that's gone now. So if you're looking for it, I would say if you're going to go to Walnut Creek in this area right here, you can look here in Hayward, but Hayward is seeing a contraction right now. So just be careful. Okay. And then this is San Jose Snapshot. These are all the sales. So let's go into the charts. 40 days on market, 90 days on market are actually coming down. It's good. But it also means that some of those were expired or withdrawn or canceled. Down here, you see those numbers right here, right? And then bank-owned properties, it's about equal. And then for sale, it's going up a little bit. And in Santa Clara County, it's going up a little bit. So it's good. We're seeing our numbers go up. our for sale homes going up. And we're actually seeing a large jump in pendings, which is good. Not like a huge jump, but we're seeing a jump in that. So it means that people are coming out of the thaw. The weather has been nice. Buyers are coming out and they're seeing houses sell pretty quick. So there you go.